Guys, balikan ko lang yung video na sinabi ni Sharon na nagtampo siya. Malaki ang tampo niya kay Casey Concepcion. Ito po yung video. Tapusin na lang po parang marinig nyo kung ano yung sinabi ni Sharon Cunita doon kay Casey Concepcion. Dahil sinabi nga ni Gabby na gusto niyang makasama. Next year, mayroon daw silang another show. Which is natutuwa ang mga fans ni Sharon at Gabby. At gusto ng mga fans ni Sharon or fans ni Gabby na kasama si Casey. So gusto ni Gabby na kasama si Casey sa kanilang next year na show. Kaso nga lang ang sabi ni Sharon na malaki ang tampo niya doon sa batang yon at strange daw sila ng anak niya. 2 taon na ganun ang kanilang sitwasyon at relasyon. So, panoorin nyo guys. At ito po yung, kasi nga may nag-comment sa akin na sinabi niya ba yun? Yes, sinabi po niya na
walo na ang nagagawa natin. You know, 8 is a lucky number.
That's how I signed my S.
Yeah, 8.
I didn't know that until after.
Actually, that's why 8 ang songs natin because ang S8 yun, di ba?
8 yung shows. Wala mo
Yes. Exactly. But I hope you guys enjoyed the show tonight. And nag-enjoy ka ba?
Oo naman. Nainis na ako dahil last show na. Dapat wala akong sakit yung ba? Hirap ko na. Pero okay ba? Okay pa yun? Thank you. Thank you. You're too kind. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard to sing like usual. Oh, I love you, Boss. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll do my very best. I already asked God to take away my voice at 1 a.m. Okay na. Tapusin lang natin kung maganda.
Actually, we were planning sana like after this show, we can do another few shows next year. Huh?
Actually,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we were really thinking about doing another show, another tour next year. Kailan ba kayo libre? Siyempre, kailangan namin yan, di ba? That's important.
no, but I don't know what's going to be first. If it's North America or we're doing the other continents first.
Ang sabi ko sa amin na baka magpunta kami ng Australia. Sino sa inyo may kamag-anak sa Australia?
Maybe we'll go tour there and then also some parts of the Middle East. Then we're coming back to America.
Yes.
And we might start the tour do you remember?
Anong mark ang gusto ninyo?
September 23!
Balita namin pagdating ng mga month ng June, okay sa inyo?
Yes! Yes!
Hindi pa kayo nagbabakasyon nun?
July!
Hindi. O sige, narinig ko yung sinabi niya. Sama daw natin si Casey next time.
Kayo na lang muna. So para naman tayo sa ni Bird Controls. Bakit naman pakyawan? Kayo na muna.
Mas maganda kung kasama natin siya. Dahil
Pero
gusto
nakasantan po ko sa bata niyo. Kaya... Teka, sorry, hindi kita gusto iwanan pero nasisinga ako.
Siyempre, mas maganda kung dalawa kayong lalo dito. At least naman, matuwa sila lahat.
Hindi kayo na muna, manonood ako. Sama na lang ako mag-aalala.
Magbati na kasi yung dalawa.
Ay, hindi ako may issue. Okay, huwag na natin pag-usapan. 2 years na akong estranged. Oh, it's okay. I love my daughter. I love her forever.
Okay, let's just do this song.
Ba't pa tayo napunta dito?
Marami siya nagtatanong that after this tour, should we say hello or should we say goodbye? I think we should say hello.
Yeah. But I spent Christmas on my own. We spent Christmas
Pero
on my
hindi
own.
na napapansinin yung mga words. Let's just enjoy this moment.
stay? Oh, ito na naman. Kanta po ito. Hindi po ito Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Stay? Go? Okay, what's your final answer? Okay. Should we stay or should we say bye-bye? Walk away or give it one more try. Why always to let our dreams just fly? And as the days go by, we'll always wonder why.
But are we glad to find one day we're is this what we really want to be? Why realize we need to have so much? It really is quite tough when